Hi, tubers. We're here at the beach. It's huts. I think that what's the name? Just beach huts. I think it is.
Idos Beach.
And it's near Depiton.
Very
And
nice.
my autistic son John,
Hi, John.
here. Lolo. Ruel.
Lizelle.
Cousins, the girls, my youngest boys on the beach right now, and we're grilling a wonderful fish, lapu-lapu fish. Go
Yes, I will show you that.
take a video
Guys,
there.
yes. Okay, I will show you guys of that. And wow, it's so very beautiful fish that we got in the market like yesterday. And it's quite expensive though, but it's really worth for that price. You see that one? Actually, YouTubers, the two of that fish, that both is like 7 kilos together. I got that in the market yesterday in, I think that's Pulo Market in Polo. I got that there, and they call that hasaan kind of fish. Well, I really don't know what hasaan is, but well, if maybe you guys knows about that. He's the in charge of it. You see the beach, very beautiful here. Idos Beach, oh my God. Quiet, very quiet place, very clean. And all the worker YouTubers, they are so very cooperative. They're really good. They are so approachable. And they are very hardworking worker here. It's a really good worker that we have here in this place. Yes, hon. Okay.
That's the name of the place.
I will show you guys the name of the beach so that you know. So maybe you have a friends there to invite to visit this place. You see that Idos Beach Huts. It's not that really expensive, but it's worth whatever the price they're giving to you.
2.5.
For this single one is 2.9. 2.9 because
per night.
yeah, per night the overnight, because they have their own this dining table. And
Dining and
yes,
walk up the stairs. Show them
Yes.
inside real quick.
I will show you the
Aircon
room.
upstairs.
It's very nice. If you have friends there, please invite them to take vacation here. It's a really good place and so quiet also. There. Okay, the aircon right now. Actually, they start the aircon on at 2 p.m. So here the bed. Oh, this is my niece. Big. Actually, being YouTubers, she be with me when like 6 years old, ate, and now you are 21 years old. She's 21 years old. It's really cool here, and that one is CR. I will show you the CR. Their CR is really good. It's okay. It's small space, but it's really nice. See, and it's clean. Very clean. It's good smell here inside though. And this is the balcony. You see that? The balcony is wide, so if you have friends with you can't fit inside, then they can bring some mattress and sleep here during the night. Okay, I'm going down now, YouTubers. Actually, this place right now today they are full. It's very, very full. That's how good this place is. I showed them there. Oh, it's color. It's not color there now.
Yeah, it's nice. It's small, but there's 5 little huts here,
Uh-huh.
and there's one unit that's a little bit more expensive. That's a little bit bigger, but 4 units the same. 2.9 per night.
Yeah. It's worth to stay though.
Yeah, yeah.
Right there. Wow. He's really complaining about it. That's all for now, YouTubers. Please don't forget to likes and comment, and please invite all your friends there to visit this place. Bye bye.